Hello Sagittarius! Welcome po sa inyong reading. First of all, I would like to apologize dahil medyo meron tayong skip no, ng readings. Hindi pa ako masyadong pinagsasalita ng doctor. So, up until now. So, hindi ko lang kaya na hindi i-send sa inyo no, ito mga message. So, might as well gawin ko na. No, kaya pa naman. Pero medyo lakasan niyo na lang yung volume ha, kasi hindi tayo makakapagsalita ng ganun katulad ng dati. Binabagalan ko lang. So, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po'y nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dito po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo pong tsampuhan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So Sagittarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Sagis, magsimula na tayo. It felt like merong taong gustong makita ka na. May taong gustong makausap ka, mahawakan ka. It felt like itong taong ito is medyo malayo, no? Malayo lumayo for whatever reason. Chances are itong taong to lumayo because of gusto niya na siguro mas inuna niya yung kanyang sarili. It may be for a third party reason, but I feel like this is more of yung inuna ko yung sarili ko because I want to fulfill my dreams. I want to travel, no? It may be the world or it may be the Philippines, what have you. Gusto kong unahin ang aking trabaho, career, or gusto kong unahin itong kumita muna, no? Or business ko, no? With a go the distance in here and now. So ngayon, itong taong to, medyo sabihin natin, meron ng somehow, no? Medyo successful na kasi with the serendipity in here medyo pa-take off, no? This person might be no na parang umangat na nga ng kaunti pero not on the full pledge, pero small blessings are still blessings, no? We need to be thankful sa mga blessings na nakukuha natin. But it felt like ngayon siguro naiisip ka na ng taong ito. Ngayon, medyo sinasabi nitong taong ito, what if kaya kung kausapin ko siya, no? What if kaya kung imbitahin ko siya, no? Hindi naman naging masama yung or ganun kasama, no? Itong pagpa-part ways namin ni Sagittarius. There may be a little challenges, no? A little discussions, but I feel like we can still fix this. We can still probably start over again, or we can start to whatever relationship there is that Sagittarius may give me, no? So I will be willing to take the risk to approach, no, Sagittarius. With the Four of Wands and the Three of Swords, it felt like munti ka na. Actually, seryoso na nga no, yung relationship. But it felt like na-stop ito because the person hurt you. Hurt you in a way, it could also be, like what I mentioned, it could be a third party situation or you're not the priority then. However, No, with the Knight of Cups and the Queen of Swords. I feel like, sabihin natin, oo, kinagalit mo. Um, kasi parang meron ka nakitang news sa feed mo, no? I think that this is more of a Facebook sort of issue. Parang meron ka nakita na your person here is probably doing something behind your back or naglihim na lang din. No, wag na nating palalain. Um, you just found out. And it kind of make me feel that of all the people that pwede mo sanang um, maging totoo ka, no? Sa akin ka pa talaga naglihim and I feel like hindi mo ko vinalue, hindi mo binigyan ng halaga, no? Itong relationship natin. So yun yung parang paksyon ni Sagittarius with the Ace of Swords and the Ten of Cups. I feel like yung iniisip nito ni person is talagang nasa iyo pa rin naman, no? Sa iyo pa rin nakatutok. Nagkaroon man kayo ng separations, ikaw pa rin talaga yung kanyang sabihin nating inaalala. It may not be the main focus, yes, pero kapag nagkakaroon ng idle time, no, parang pumapasok pa rin talaga itong um, memories of you, kind of haunts them, no? With the world card, chances are lumayo talaga ito with the sun. I feel like there's a huge chunk of magkaiba ang time frame, time zone, no? Uh, with the Five of Pentacles and the Moon card, actually, ang dami nitong gustong itanong sa'yo. One of those are, do I still have a chance in your life or revive this connection even though that I am the one who walked away? Even that I am the one who sabihin nating flew, uh, left you behind, no? Uh, actually, ang gusto nitong mangyari is really to connect and fix the bridge, no? Let's check here the emotion. This could be your emotion or your person's emotion, ano? So let's see. I wish you were mine and I miss you. So it makes me feel na talagang itong taong ito is really hoping and wishing to have a real connection, or start the relationship again, mend a broken heart, mend a broken relationship. I think that this person's really longing for you, no, Sagittarius. Let's check the zodiac sign of this person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, um, Scorpio, baka kapwa Sagittarius, ano, uh, Virgo, Cancer, Leo. So this is your reading, Sagis. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero Sagis, kilalang kilala nyo po ang inyong sarili. So, alam nyo, no, kung kayo'y masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot. Kung hindi naman, dumiretso na kayo dito sa ating question form. So sa question form po, all you just need to do is to check the link in the description box. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Sa website po na yon, sa baba po ng question form, nandun po yung QR codes. No, kung hindi niyo po alam gamitin yung QR codes, makikita niyo rin naman yung number. So you can use the number for your reference. No, I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. May nagtatanong kasi, ang ginawa ko lang na QR code, for one question, two questions, the 4+1, and for um, the private reading. So, paano naman daw po kapag three questions, kasi three questions lang? Uh, um, let's use our logic po, no? Parang 1+1 = 2. 1+2 = 3. So, you can use the one question and the two question. 1+2 = 3. So, solved, di ba? Sajis, uh, kung gusto niyo pong mag-private reading, mag-book ng private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Pakihanap na lang sa QR codes. Kung hinahanap niyo po yung ibang readings, nandun po yan sa mga social media accounts. Nagkakaroon na po tayo ng TikTok exclusive, ng Facebook exclusive, and dito po for YouTube exclusive, no? So, pag sinabi nating exclusive, kahit previous po, no, nung mga readings is hindi po makikita sa mga social media platform kahit gatiting. So, might as well sundan niyo na ako sa mga social media accounts. Kung hindi niyo po mahanap ang mga social medias, bumalik kayo dun sa question form. May mga logo po or icons ng mga social media accounts. Click nyo lang po yun. Didiretso na kayo dun sa ating social media account po, no? So, this is your reading, Sagittarius. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.